Alright, so here's 2 of 6 of the vacuum cleaners I picked up today. These are the only 2 that I'm completely finished working on. My 1986 Eureka self-propelled with the regulator, height adjustment, the edge cleaner, the excellent Vibra Groomer 2 brush roll, and it's also self-propelled. And the Hoover Elite 2 dual purpose with the special top fill bag, and this one's from 1992. Hoover Elites have always been great machines for me. I've owned probably about 15 or 16 of them total. They had tons of variations of them. I currently have 3. One is bagless and for sale. That's the twin chamber, but they're all based off the same design. So anyway, these 2 work great, and it just goes to show you that a simple vacuum cleaner can just undergo simple repairs and work like new again. So I'll just show them off quick. Now that's what you call a real vacuum cleaner. As you could probably see in the video, you could actually watch the front of the nozzle lift up the carpeting. That's something that you rarely see in today's vacuums, but it's also because it's a fan first machine. So the fan is right there, so all the suction is right there on the floor. So now for the Hoover Elite 2 dual purpose. Another great cleaner, not quite as good as the Eureka, but still a really nice cleaner. So those are my 2 very nice US made, mind you, vacuum cleaners.